everyone. In this lesson, let us solve this beautiful algebraic equation. And it says 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a, everything is equal to 80. And our target is to find the value of a. Now, when you have 4 power a plus 4 power a, you can factor out 4 power a because 4 power a is common, right? So you factor out 4 power a. So 4 power a divided by 4 power a will give us 1 plus 4 power a divided 4 power a will still give us 1. Everything is equal to 80. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 4 power a multiplied by 2 is equal to 80. So let's divide both sides by 2. When we do that, you have 2 on both sides. This will cancel out. So we have 4 to the power of a is equal to 80 divided by 2 is the same thing as 40. So we are now having 4 to the power of a is equal to 40, right? Then the next thing to do here to be able to solve this equation is to take the logarithm of both sides. So we have logarithm of 4 to the power of a is equal to the logarithm of 40. Now from logarithm laws, when you have log a power b, the power can come to the back, so you now have b log a. So the same thing here, the power of a can come to the back, we now have a log 4 is equal to logarithm of 40, right? So now, to get the value of a, we are dividing both sides by log 4. So a becomes log 40 all over log 4. Do you know that log 40 can be split into log 4 times 10, right? Then we still have our log 4. Therefore, from logarithm laws, when you have log 4 times, okay, let's say log a times b, this is the same thing as log a plus log b, right? So here, we can call this that our a will now be equal to log 4 plus log 10, since we have log 4 times log 10. So we can split it as log 4 times log 10, isn't it? Then all over logarithm of 4. So we can break this down as logarithm of 4 divided by logarithm of 4 plus logarithm of 10 divided by logarithm of 4. So this will cancel itself to give us a 1 plus logarithm of 10 all over logarithm of 4. So from this, we can still break 10 down into 10 can be written as 2 times 5. So you can break it down as 2 times 5 because 2 times 5 will give us 10 all over logarithm of 4, right? Then from here, we can have that our a is equal to 1 plus logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of 5. That is breaking log 2 times 5 into log 2 plus log 5 all over logarithm of 4, right? Now let's divide. We can now divide both logarithm by the 4. But if you like, remember that I can still break the 4 down as, let's come there. We have 1 plus log 2 plus log 5. Then all over, seeing log 4, you can call log 4 log 2 power 2 because 2 power 2 is 4, right? So which in turn can be written as 1 plus log 2 plus log 5. The power of 2 comes to the back. This becomes 2 log 2, isn't it? So now we can still continue the breakdown by dividing both terms by 2 log 2. So we can now have a is equal to 1 plus log 2 over 2 log 2 plus log 5 over 2 log 2, right? So now this gives us a plus 1. A is equal to 1 plus, do you know that this can be written as 1 over 2? So you can call it 1 over 2 so that this will cancel out. You have just half plus Here, this can also be 1 over 2, then log 5 over log 2. Okay, now 1 plus half. If I add this 1 and this half together, I will get 1 and half. And 1 and half is the same thing as 3 over 2. So I'll have 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 all over log 2. Now, if you have log A base B, this is the same thing as if you have, let's say, log A over log B. From logarithm laws, you can call it log A base B. So I can do the same thing here. Since I have log 5 over log 2, I can break this down as, let's see, 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Instead of writing it as log 5 over log 2, I can call it log 5 base 2, okay? So now, this can also be written as A is equal to 3 over 2 plus log 5 base 2 over 2 because of the half. And you can see that they are all having a denominator of 2, which is now 3 plus log 5 base 2, everything all over 2, right? This can be the final solution to this. So A is equal to 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. You can decide to check to see if the answer is right. Remember that the original question given to us says that 4 power A plus 4 power A is equal to 80. So, and since we said that this is the value of A, let us substitute that as the value of A and see if we are going to get the same answer. So that means we'll be having 4 power 3 plus log 5 base 2 over 2 plus 4 power 3 plus log 5 base 2 over 2. Let us see if this is going to give us what? 80. Once it gives us 80, it means that our solution is correct. Do you know that 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2? Then you have 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2 plus 4 again is 2 power 2 into 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 2. So these two we cancel these two we cancel these two. We are left with 2 power 3 plus log 5 base 2 plus 2 power 3 plus log 5 base 2. Now we can break this thing down as 2 power 3 plus, multiplied by 2 power log 5 base 2 plus 2 power 3 again multiplied by 2 power log 5 base 2. There is this logarithm law that you need to know. Whenever you have log, let's say, when you have anything like 2, or let's say A log B base C, this is equal to B. When you have A log B base C, oh, not this, when this is A also, when you have A log B base A, when the power, this and these are the same thing, so you are going to get this B. And if you watch this problem here, you notice that it is in here and here. So this is 2 power 3 multiplied by, seeing this, now this will turn to 5 plus 2 power 3 again multiplied by this one again turns to 5 according to what I just explained. And 2 power 3 is 8 times 5 plus 2 power 3 again is 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40, 8 times 5 is 40. And 40 plus 40 is equal to 80. So 80 is correct. That shows that our solution is 100% right. Okay? If you've enjoyed what you've watched, kindly subscribe to my channel. Hit the red icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for viewing and bye-bye.